guys, welcome back to my channel. Caleb wanted to be in the video today, yes. He wanted to show you guys his shirt. Look what it says. Okay, we can see it, Diddy, we can see it. It says, I woke up like this. How cute is that? How cute are you? Huh? Okay, so today I'm super excited for today's video because I'm gonna be reviewing the Amrezy and Anastasia Beverly Hills new highlighter. He keeps looking at me and laughing. Amrezy collaborated for the second time with Anastasia Beverly Hills and created this new highlighter that's now available in stores for $28. Yes, you tell them. You tell them about Amrezy. And I was super excited to get this because I like a blending highlight. I like my highlight to be seen from space. I'm not into like settle highlights. So like hearing everybody else's reviews about this highlight saying that it was intense and it was everybody's wish. All the girls that wanted blending highlight, this was gonna be the holy grail. So I was super excited to put, get my hands on it and give you guys an honest review. I bought this with my own money. I didn't get this from any PR list or anything like that. So you guys know that I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. And also I thought it would be fun to recreate the makeup look that she had on the photo shoot that they did to promote this highlighter. And the makeup look that she had was done by Dress Your Face, which is like one of my favorite makeup artists. One of my favorite makeup artists. I love her. I just looked at the picture in the video and I couldn't really see everything that he had, but it just had like it looked like it had like a simple cut crease and just a very defined, I love you, and a very defined just eyeliner with a lot of glow. So hopefully I came up with something similar than what she had. Yes. You tell? I just thought it would be appropriate just to do a quick tutorial. Recreating the look that she had on the video and the pictures. So hopefully you guys like it. And if you want to see how I created this Amrezy inspired, he's in love with me. I love you too. So if you guys want to see how I created this cut crease Amrezy inspired makeup tutorial, then please keep on watching. Okay, for this look I'm going to be using the Morphe 350 palette and picking up the brush Morphe M505. I'm going to be picking up that peachy color as a transition shade, so that way all the other shades are going to be easier to blend. Then picking up that brown shade, I'm going to be using the Morphe M433 and then just apply that underneath that transition shade. Not as high as a transition shade. Then going in with my Morphe M321, I'm going to be applying the darkest color right in the crease, like right below the other two colors that we have put on our crease before this color. And as you can see, I'm standing it out so that way I can get a cut crease, defined cut crease effect. Then going in with that Morphe M433, I'm just blending everything together for a seamless faded look. Then going in with that color again with the bigger brush in Morphe M505, I'm going to be applying that color above, like right on the crease again, above all the other colors, just to blend everything together. I like to blend as much as I can. And here's Caleb again. Yes, he has mamitis. He wants to be with mom all day long. So I mean, what can I do? Going with that, oh, he wants to eat it. No. With my concealer, I'm just going to be cutting the crease. And the way he looks at me, it just kills me. I'm gonna be cutting the crease with the concealer and that little brush right there. Just place that right in the crease, like right below the crease, and then extend it out to clean out that eyeshadow that we put in before. And then I'm just extra blending everything together again. I know I'm OCD. And then I'm placing that light color right where we put that concealer. her eye was pretty neutral in the picture, so I wanted to keep everything as neutral as possible. Then I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline black eyeliner, and I'm just gonna be doing a cat eye. I don't want it to be too thick. I kind of want it to be thin, but very precise and very kind of like long and just sharp, as sharp as I can. Then going in with that cooler brown shade, I'm gonna be placing that tightly underneath the waterline. And then I'm gonna go back and then use that brown peachy shade to just blend that waterline. And then to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Amrezy highlighter, and then I'm gonna put that on the brow bone as well. And then just put some mascara. I'm using the CoverGirl Lash Blast. Okay, so lashes are on, and to finish off the face, I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D Light and Shade palette, and I'm gonna be bronzing the face. In her picture, I didn't see a lot of blush that they use on her, so I'm just gonna be using the contour powder as a blush. So basically I'm just gonna be bronzing the face, and then I'm gonna like bring it upwards a little bit just to use it as a blush as well. I'm also gonna bring it down the neck. For highlighter today, we're gonna be using the Amrezy and Beverly Hills highlighter. And I'm super excited to try this because this is supposed to be like the answer to our prayers to the girls that like a blinding highlight like me. Like, I know that I would dip into a highlight 4, 5, 6, 7 times because I don't just want a settle highlight. I want the highlight to be like intense. And I know a lot of girls like that too. So this was supposed to be the highlighter that was gonna give us that, because Amrezy is like the queen of highlight, and her highlight is always amazing. She's been using this for a while now, before we had access to it, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on this to review it for you guys. First impressions when you open the packaging, it is so beautiful. I mean, look at that. It has like these waves. It's like a wavy, it reminds me of like a beachy type of powder, like highlighter, I don't know. That's probably what she intended it to be. It's so pretty. The packaging feels luxurious. It has a mirror, and I do appreciate that because when I travel, I want, you know, sometimes I want to use a mirror and not just use a bathroom mirror or whatever. Or if I'm in the car, I like that. And then also, there are 9 grams of product in here. So that's a lot of product. It's probably gonna last you a year. I know it's probably gonna last me more than a year because I don't do my makeup every day. So there's a lot of product in here for $28. It's retailing at the Anastasia Beverly Hills store for $28, which in my opinion is a decent price for a highlighter. I mean, there are smaller highlighters than this for a little over this. So we are gonna test it right now and see if it lives up to the hype. Amrezy calls it a sun in a compact. So, I mean, it's supposed to be amazing. And she also says that it's supposed to feel like a second skin. It's not supposed to feel powdery or glittery or anything like that. I guess it's not supposed to give you like, I guess it's not supposed to bring out your texture. Like if you have any texture on your skin, this is supposed to be kind of like a liquid, a little bit more forgiving to the skin. So let's just put it to the test right now. Okay, so I'm gonna be picking up my Morphe M510. This is usually like the brush that I use for highlighter. And I'm not even going to wet the brush or anything. We're just gonna use it just like that. And I'm just gonna like dip into it real quick. And that was just one swipe, like one dip. This is the second one. So it went from a little settle to now blinding. Oh, and it feels like, when you touch it, it feels like creamy. Like it doesn't feel like a regular powder. It's like a weird, like weird in a good way, like a weird formula. Like Also, like, it doesn't have any like fallout. Like when you touch it, it's just like kind of like you dip it into a cream. It's like, but it's still a powder. So I mean, that's amazing. This is the first time I've tried a formula like this, and I like it. It's pretty awesome. When you touch it with your finger, it's even more intense. Like, I mean, look at this. It's like extremely intense. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's pretty. I mean, like, it looks wet. Like, I feel like it's just, I feel like it looks wet. Like, it reminds me of like a liquid highlighter. So I'm liking this a lot. Like, this is gonna be my baby, like when I go to Cancun. When I go on vacation, I'm gonna take this, put it all over my body. So it might not last me a whole year. So you can see like that there's like no fallout. And like when you touch it, I bet like I would like this, like to use it on my eyes just with my finger and just to apply it as eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using this all over my body. I'm gonna be using this on my eyes as eyeshadow, everywhere. So I do recommend this to you guys if you guys wanna purchase it. Like I said, $28. And it's a generous size, so it's gonna last you for a while. So that's with the review. And looking at her picture, she had like a pretty nude lip, so I'm just gonna use Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner. Shading in the lips, just a little bit. This has like a pinkish undertone, and hers in the picture looks more like a cool nude undertone. So it's not gonna be identical as her shoot, as you know, the picture in her photo shoot. I'm gonna pat some of the concealer over top of it just to see if I can make it a little bit more like nude, a little bit more opaque. And then she was wearing a gloss, so I'm gonna be wearing this like cheap gloss that I got at Walmart like a long time ago, probably like 2 years ago, and I still have it. It's by Wink Sugar, I don't know. And I'm just gonna put that like right on top. It's like a clear gloss. I wanted to use a clear gloss. I'm gonna clean up my contour real quick with the first powder right here of the Kat Von D palette, and I'm just gonna dip my sponge in. Because her contour was pretty sharp in that picture. Alright guys, so this is the final result. Hope you guys liked the quick tutorial, and I hope you guys liked the review on the Amrezy and Anastasia Beverly Hills new highlighter. Let me know if you guys are excited to buy it or if you just are gonna pass. And I will see you guys on my next video. See you later.